Good morning. I am awake now. I feel sleepy.
Breakfast is ready?
I am hungry. Please come quickly.
Smells wonderful. Eat your food, Tom.
Okay, Dad. Drink your milk, too. Tom, do not forget your key. Remember it today.
You forgot last week. Be careful now.
Yes, Dad, I know.
I am ready now. Check your pocket first.
Yes, Mom, I have it. I hope so. The sun feels so warm.
Today feels nice.
I like walking with you guys. Me too. It's fun.
I am happy now.
I will study hard. English is fun.
Catch me now. Run faster.
I am hungry now. Home is near.
Time to go in. My key is here. Oh no. Not again. I forgot it. What do I do? Dad will be angry.
Mom, I am home. Please open.
I feel bad. I am so careless.
Door's locked here too. Everything is locked and closed.
Tom, outside again?
Yes, I forgot the key. Thank you very much.
Sit in the shade.
It feels long. I am worried now.
Tom?
Hi, Dad.
Why are you here?
I was waiting for you.
I'm so happy to see you, buddy.
Me too.
You forgot again.
Yes, Dad. I am.
Sorry.
I made a mistake. Please forgive me.
How long were you waiting?
About 1 hour.
I was angry first. Now I understand. Learn from this.
I will change, Dad. I promise now.
Why are you outside?
Tom forgot again.
Oh, Tom.
Sorry, Mom.
It's okay, buddy.
It's so, buddy.
I am sorry, Mom. I will carry these.
Come inside now.
Let us talk later. We need a solution.
Yes, not only anger. The key stays here. Every night.
This is easy to see.
I like it. I will keep it safe, Dad. Tom, now you can see. You've got your glasses on. Oh, wow, it's bright red. Tom's eyes are working now.
New habit starts now. I will remember.
Good morning, family.
Nice new day.
Yummy pancakes. First, check the hook. Then take the key. Key in pocket. Ready now.
Good job, Tom. I am proud.
Much better now. Keep this habit.
Tom remembered. Very good.
I feel ready today. No mistake now.
It is here. I did it.
Who is there?
It is me, Mom.
And the key?
Right here, Dad.
Small habits help much. Mistakes can teach us.
I learned today. For fun and easy English stories, like our channel. Subscribe here and press the bell icon.